Ever wanted to make TikTok edits that truly stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and unlock the power of creating some seriously cool TikTok videos. First, let's create a new project. You can do this by selecting New Composition, which you can also find in the Composition tab. Choose your desired TikTok video dimensions and frame rate there. Make sure your duration matches your clip length. Next, import all your media by dragging your video clips into the project panel. Now, drag your desired clip onto the timeline. Click and drag to the timeline. This includes all your videos, images, and even audio tracks you might want to include. Now for the exciting part, transitions. Find the Effects and Presets panel and search for popular transitions. Drag and drop transitions between your different clips to create seamless transitions. Add cross zoom or push. Experiment with different effects to find what looks best with your video. To add effects, select your clip on the timeline. Go to the Effects and Presets panel again, and search for your desired effects and drag and drop. This is where the magic happens. Adjust the settings and customize the effects using the Effect Control panel. Try adding effects like glow or color correction to enhance the visual appeal. Feeling creative? Let's spice things up with text animation. Select the Text tool, type your message, and animate it using the animation presets. Easily change the font and style, aligning the text to best fit your clip. Play around with the animation presets to achieve those cool effects on your videos. Finally, once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to render it in the export settings. Select File, then Export, and choose Add to Render Queue. Hit the render button. From there you can change output to the proper codec and then export it. Export your video and it's ready to be shared on TikTok. Now go create videos that are amazing.